We are doing the 106-minute drawing challenge.
And we are on episode number 38. So this is a series where we are drawing some funny monsters.
Yes.
And congratulations on being with us until this episode. And if you watch till the end of this video, hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below. You can win some amazing goodies. Come on, hurry, the first 5 comments win some exciting goodies. So do not forget to click on the like button, the subscribe button, and add your comments below. These comments could be anything like what you want us to draw next. Did you like this drawing, or whatever you want to feel like? Share to Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club.
Yeah.
Let's get started with episode number 38. We need a pencil, a white paper, and that's all for this drawing. Okay. Don't do that. Come on.
30.
Yeah.
30.
So we start with doing.
I think I'll do my bit like this.
No. And always try to keep the pencil a little far from the notebook, so that people can see your drawing. Okay. We keep the pencil a little light so that in case we do some mistake, we can easily erase it.
Now, where's the eraser?
Yeah. Yeah, the legs of the monster. Similarly, yet another leg. A bit tricky drawing this is.
Yep, this way, okay.
The other leg. And now, what we do is okay, does this look like a monster yet?
No.
It will. Once we're done with the drawing, it is gonna look like a dirty, funny monster.
A scary monster, you can say.
Absolutely.
Shading.
Should we make the teeth?
I'm not completed with the body. Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's wait for Parikshit. Until we wait for Parikshit, go to our Instagram channel. The Instagram channel's link is @ Kids Fun Learn Club. Hit on the like button, hit on the subscribe button, and do share your drawings with us on Instagram by tagging us @ Kids Fun Learn Club and #Kids Fun Learn Club. You can once again win some amazing goodies if you do this. Okay, is Parikshit ready?
No. Don't.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Should we do the hands now?
Yes, but let's do the teeth.
let's finish off the hands. Okay, the other hands. Finish the teeth. The eyes, big ones. Yeah. The okay. Dental, yeah. Let's make these borders a bit darker.
Wait.
Let's make doing the outline. Okay, you're still here? No problem, I'll wait. Let's wait for Parikshit. Let's wait for Parikshit.
Done.
Done? Wow. So we are done with this.
I like mine.
Yeah, Parikshit's is funnier.
It's scarier and scary hashtag funny monster.
Scary hashtag funny monster. Wow.
Look.
Excellent. So this was episode number 38 for you. See you in the next episode number. That would be episode number 39. Until then, have a great and a wonderful
Day.
evening. Bye-bye.